Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, wife.
Good morning, Abby.
Thanks for breakfast. We had pancakes this morning, and I'm not really good at making pancakes. I'm good at other breakfast food, most other breakfast food, but not pancakes. So I had a bit of a fit.
You had a tantrum.
I had a tantrum this morning because the pancake thing wasn't working out for me. So she
couldn't find a ladle, and then because we didn't know what a ladle was.
I said ladle. Like, who the hell doesn't know what a ladle is? I said ladle, and they looked at me like I was an alien.
You are an alien.
Hey, no snaps.
You snapped me.
I was just playing around. See what you're starting?
Alright, stop it.
Anyway, so we had pancakes for breakfast, and now we're done with pancakes. So I'm gonna feed some of the leftovers to the puppies.
You're in my way.
You're in my way.
You're in my way.
So they're very much anticipating some leftover pancakes. Alrighty, puppies. Who wants pancakes? Ebony, sit. Hold on. Let me adjust here. Sit down. Sit up. Shake. Shake. Ready? Chunky, sit. Good boy. Chunky don't know many tricks. He's our special kind of dog. But he makes up for not knowing tricks with adorableness. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Watch, he's totally gonna miss. Ebony, go. Go. Sit. He's totally gonna miss, but it's cute. And then look at Ebony. Sit. She don't miss. Oh man. Chunky, it's okay.
Don't feed him too many.
I'm not feeding him this whole one. Here. Ready? Can you catch it? Can you get it this time? Hold on. Let me focus. Alrighty. Can you get it? Catch it! Yes! Good job! Alright! Good boy! How about you? Can you miss? Sit. What the heck was that? Sit. Can you miss?
No.
Dang it.
You don't want to miss.
Alright, Chunky, you gotta catch it. Ready? Catch it! Ah, that was a bad throw. I thought I'd catch her off guard. I did it. Alrighty. Ready, Chunky? Get it! Ah! You can't catch her off guard. Alrighty, doggies, that's it. No more. My hands are gross.
Rest are for the squirrels.
Rest are for the squirrels? Maybe the dogs want them.
The dogs will be farting all day because of that.
It is true. Our dogs are the gassiest animals on the planet. You feed Chunky, say you feed Chunky, I don't know, you feed him, yeah, a cracker. You feed him a cracker, and then the dog is stinking up the living room. And doesn't care. Doesn't care. He'll let one fly, he'll get up and walk away and leave it there for us.
You should give them a milk bone.
Okay. Alright guys, happy Wednesday. And let's get this day started, because we've already started it without you, kind of. So I apologize. We already did breakfast and coffee and stuff. Well, I'm still working on coffee. Yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. One milk bone for you. Chunky! Come here. And one for you. That's how you brush your teeth. Do this. Alright guys, getting ready to leave the house, go to school. She's going to school. It's a freaking cold day. Look at this. Come on. Focus in on it. 14 degrees. Feels like -1. It will be a cold walk this morning with the dog. It'd just be cold walking to the car.
I know. You should have heated it up.
I didn't even know it was going to be that cold.
Look, it really bad now this week.
Whew. Gonna be crazy walking today. I'm gonna have to like, oh yeah.
Yeah,
I don't even know if Ebony can stay out very long in this kind of weather. Can she?
I don't know. She probably needs a coat.
She has a large adult hoodie that we put on her. We gotta find it though.
Just got washed. I'm not sure where it went.
Because they say with Great Danes, they get cold easy, and it's cold. So,
I don't know where it went.
but she definitely wants to go for a walk. 'Cause she got all confused when we was getting ready to leave because we put the dogs. Why is Chunky still out?
Because he don't listen.
Chucky just snoozing in the chair. Ebony got all confused when he was getting ready to leave. She thought she was going for her walk, but she's not going yet. And she might not be going if I don't find her hoodie because it's going to be too cold for her. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go to school.
Come on.
Did you remember everything? Okay, what? It is painfully cold out there. My gosh, it's bitter. And there's kind of one of them Mondays in disguise. It's Wednesday, but it totally feels like like a Monday. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. It is coffee time. House is clean. Woohoo! That is my daily chore. Just keep this house straightened up. And if I work on it every day, well, until the weekend rolls around. If I work on it every day, it's not bad. Weekend rolls around, I don't do shit. She has a hoodie on. Jeepers. Okay. She looks awesome. Oh man. Alrighty. We are going for a walk. Gotta bundle up. I gotta make sure she don't get too cold. Oh man. Come on. My Gorilla Grip tripod is getting old. Alright, Ebony, hold on a second. They roll these sleeves up too long. I think the hoodie's gonna work. She looks so cool. I wonder if somebody put the. Hold on. Let me sort this out. Look. She's got the hood up. Okay. Chill out. Gosh. You're too excited. Let's put the hood up. Here, come here. Let's put the hood up. Look. Okay, she is freaking out. I gotta get her collar out. God, this thing is cold. Alright, Ebony. Go. Hat. Gloves. It's so cold. You want? unbelievably cold out there. But that should be all right. We should be all right. We're off. I'm not gonna keep her out here too long because it's too cold for her. Me, I got all my winter 0 degree running gear on underneath my clothes. I'm good to go. But for her, I don't know. I don't know how cold she is. I know right now she's just simply amped up for being out here. But it is windy. You can probably hear it. It is windy and very, very cold. So I don't know. I don't want her to get too cold. I wouldn't even know how to tell if she's too cold. But man, think about this. In about a little over a month, I'm gonna be on the beaches of Cancun with my wife, provided our passports come in on time, because we procrastinated that, and I'm hoping we didn't procrastinate that too long, because the possibility is we won't be going. But hopefully the passports will be here on time and we can go. And man, we're gonna be on the beaches of Cancun. Everything is covered. We can go swimming with dolphins. We can go on the world's largest or tallest and longest zip line. We can go scuba diving. We're gonna be eating all sorts of awesome food. I mean, we're just gonna be chilling on this resort on the beaches of Cancun in the Hard Rock Hotel. I'm so excited. So excited. And then we're gonna plan another trip there. Hold on one second. And then we're gonna plan another trip there. The lens is fogging up. It's so cold out here. We're gonna plan another trip there and try to take the whole family. You know, if they can all save up their money, we want to make a family trip to Cancun. So it should be this trip should be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Honestly, guys, I have never flown on an airplane. Never been on an airplane. Never left the country. I haven't been to hardly any states in America. I have not traveled enough. I'm 44 years old. That is about to change. I'm going to start traveling more now than I ever have. Ebony, dear Lord, dog, just pulling. I don't think we're not gonna go our normal route. It is far too cold. I am going to get her a little bit of exercise because she really wanted it. And I'm going back home, guys. It is like frigid out here. I've got my 0 degree running gear on, and I'm not doing bad, but my hands are cold because these eye gloves aren't gonna cut it. So I will see you guys in the next clip, where I'll be at home taking a nice warm shower. God, it's cold. Oh, my face is numb. It is bitter cold out there. Wow, guys, -4 degrees. Cold. I mean, the body's warm, but the face and the hands not even too bad, but my face, dear Lord, it's cold. Time for a warm shower. See you in the next clip. Doesn't Ebony look awesome in her hoodie? She looks amazing. She just looks amazing. You were so cute in this freaking hoodie. Oh man, she loved it out there. She didn't seem cold, but I didn't know how to tell, and it really freaked me out because I didn't want her to get too cold. I read that they get cold easy, and I didn't want her to get sick or something. So I mean, we didn't go out for very long, but it was a walk either way. I didn't want nothing to happen to her. Hardy, warm shower time. Come on. I'm also gonna lose the beard before Cancun. Just gonna shave it off. For one, I think it'll make me look younger. I think, because it's kind of gray. Oh, we're fogging up, man. This shower's warm. And for two, it just needs to go. I need to get rid of the beard before I'm hanging out on the beaches of Cancun. Holy crap, guys. I gotta get the shower over. I will see you in the next clip. One thing I won't be getting rid of is the hair. I'm gonna keep it. Thought about cutting it a few times, especially, you know, you going to Cancun, might be hot. Thought about cutting it. I even thought about cutting it aside from a Cancun trip. It's not gonna happen. I can always put it in a ponytail if it gets hot, you know. Oh, yeah, I'm warm now. Bathroom's a little steamy and foggy, but I'm warm.
Ow, what's your problem? Ow! Whatever. Just trying to be nice. Ow, you asshole! Screw you, kitty. Screw you. Dick.
My next business, yeah, this has kind of got me behind the bars that I was
Oh, man. Oh, I should never lay down on this stupid couch. This freaking mongrel woke me up. Oh. Ugh. What do you want? Go lay down. Oh, man. Go, Ebony. Go lay down. Go. Oh, never fails. Never freaking fails. Oh man, I'm tired. And it's cold. And every time I lay on this stupid couch, it's so comfortable. Oh, so stupid comfortable. It's so cold outside. It's so chilly in here. I'm so toasty warm now. Oh, and I was. Oh, I think I only slept for like half an hour. But Ebony comes up, sticks her freaking nose right in my face, waking me up, trying to get a nap in. This blanket is over 10 feet long. It's crocheted. My wife made it for me before we even got married. She made me this. These are my favorite colors. And I'm tall. And she knew I needed a big blanket. So she made me this blanket. This is still folded in half. This is so comfortable. Oh, this couch rocks, guys. Oh man, I just go back to sleep. I can't though, because Emily gets out in like, I think she gets out in like an hour. She gets out of school early. Oh man, all right. I guess I should get up and do something productive. I should not have laid down. I knew I shouldn't have, but it was like, the couch was calling me. I laid down now. I'm like, it's cold in this house. It's so freaking cold outside. It was just cold, so I just covered up and that's about what happened. Alrighty, I gotta get up and do something productive. Oh man. Alrighty, YouTube.
Alrighty.
Oh man, what a day. What a day of laziness and taking naps on the couch.
Sounds like you have it terribly.
I had a rough life. I had a rough day. I mean, you know, naps are hard to take, but you know, somebody's got to do it. So, alright, guys, it is about time to start dinner.
What's this?
As you can see, I had that for lunch. I had some peas and a burger for lunch
Leave it on the oven.
because I didn't do my dishes yet. Woman, you want the back of the hand?
Yeah, I do.
Ow! Now be nice. Gosh, she's rotten to the core. Alright, guys, time to hit the hey dogs, can we just get along? Do we have to? We don't have to fight. Chunky's trying to get to the pancakes. Pancakes on the stove. He can smell. I don't have any pancakes. Oh, these animals. No, you don't. You're not getting pancakes. No pancakes for you. Alright, guys, thanks for coming to the SteveTooley channel. Thank you so much for watching this episode of my daily vlogs, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Why do you guys gotta fight?
Go.
Say bye, wife.
Bye.
See you tomorrow, guys. I gotta get this kitchen under control.